Alright guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Adventure series. This is going to be a shorter vlog for you because I'm on a short time schedule. But we're hoping to find a nice waterfalls here and I'll get some nice pictures. And I'll make sure to show them on the screen for you guys. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a massive waterfall over here. Spring runoff has really hit this place hard. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so I found this nice little strip of road right here, right in the corner here, so I'm about to show you my view of taking that photo. It's pretty cool. Guys, I don't know if you knew, but about 15 years ago, there was a massive wildfire that terrorized through Kelowna and the Okanagan. And look at this. I was just a baby and I was actually here. Look at this place. This is devastating. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe. There will be lots more coming your way. So stay tuned.